Hey guys, we received this AG Jask store painting kits for test and try. So this can be used for adults or big kids. This is acrylic paint canvas easel set. It's a 56 pieces sip and paint kit with two wood easel, 12 paints like two in a gap. So it's a two pair of each, I will say. So you can see this wooden easel and it's a nice easel just to put in or the canvas thing on top of it. So there are 12 paint set with the two pieces and then 10 brushes. So like two sets. So I will just show like one of them, and it's like on the plate, the acrylic paints with the 12 tubes. As you can see it here, two sponges. So there are the two 7-inch scraper. So these are like the nice tool and the nice quality. They are 2x 10 sizes paintbrush set and 8 by 10 canvas panels. So these are the 8 by 10 inch sizes canvas panel that you can use to paint your stuff. So I can show like this is a nice quality canvas panel. So let me just open this up and show you the quality. So they are the this is really nice like premium quality canvas with the top, so you can just put it on your easel and then start drawing. So there are 12 ml 12 tubes of acrylic paint, and then easel is around like 10.6 inches in height and 6.29 inches in width. And these are the plain to brush set. So let me just open this. And as I said, you can also adjust the easel like the angle. And these are the 10 sizes of the brush set that you can choose and you can use them for your painting. So this canvas is also like 100% cotton canvas and is a different one. So the plate is around 8.8 inches and you can just put in the colors in it and draw. So this is a nice starting kit, and you can of course use this for the different purpose. You can get more canvases, you can do a multiple of this stuff and create your masterpieces. So let me just show like this color paints. So they are the 12 ml or 12 color. So they're sealed one, so you have to just open up this seal. So in the back, just pinch it up. So open one tube and then just put in the color. So you can see the color. It's really bright and nice color set. And the brush is also like taking up the stuff. So let me just do a little bit of the writings thing so that I can show. So it's very easy to work on this canvas and easy to work on this. And this is a cotton canvas, so it's pretty much nice and you can just draw in the stuff. So the coloring, the color quality, the color things are nice, and you can easily draw and have fun with the different drawing things. And these brushes are of the different pointed paint brushes, so pretty much nice and things. So very nice color set and the drawing kit for adults and other purposes.